Hello, welcome to another AQA A-level Physics Mechanics question. If you want to choose a different question, hit the information card here. If you want to try the question yourself, hit the pause button. Got the answer D, well done. So let's have a look. Two ball bearings X and Y are projected from horizontal ground at the same time. X has mass 2m and is projecting vertically upward with a speed of u, and Y has a mass m and is projected at 30 degrees to the horizontal with a speed 2u. Air resistance is negligible. Which statement is correct? Well, let's have a look. So we've got X and it's going upwards with a velocity of u, and it's got a mass of 2m. And Y is projected with a velocity of 2u. It has a mass of m, but it is being projected at 30 degrees from the horizontal. So let's have a look at these statements to start one at a time. X and Y have the same initial momentum. It's quite tempting to say they've got the same initial momentum because momentum is mass times velocity, and the momentum of X is equal to its mass of 2m multiplied its velocity of u, and the momentum of Y is equal to its mass of m multiplied by its velocity of 2u, and both of those answers give an answer of 2mu. So they both have the same magnitude of momentum. However, momentum is a vector quantity and the directions of that momentum are the same as the direction of the velocity, so the momentums are different because different directions. X and Y's reach their maximum heights at different times. Well, how long it's going to take them to reach their height is going to depend on how fast they're travelling in a vertical direction. So what we ought to try and find out is what component of Y's velocity is in the vertical direction. And that's going to be equal to, that vertical velocity is going to be equal to 2u multiplied by sine theta. That means it's vertical velocity. If I put those, sorry, I shouldn't have said sine theta, I should have said sine 30 because we know what the angle is. If I put those numbers into my calculator, I'm going to discover that the vertical velocity is just u. Well, that's the same as the vertical velocity of X. So they're going to be travelling vertically at the same speed. So they will reach their heights at the same time. The maximum height reached by Y is half that of X. No, again, because they've both got the same vertical component of velocity, they're both going to reach the same height. X and Y reach the ground at the same time. Yes, they will reach the ground at the same time because they have those same vertical velocities. Answer D. If you found this video useful and helpful, click on that subscribe button please, hit the like button, share with friends and watch more in the series. Thank you.